Hey guys, Andrew King here. Welcome to my video site maker review. I'm here inside the WordPress dashboard, and today I'm going to give you a full overview and walkthrough. I'm also going to show you what the prices and upsells are and how much all this costs. And on top of that, I got some really cool custom made bonuses for you guys to help you get the best out of video site maker. Now, in a nutshell, video site maker, it's a brand new WordPress plugin and theme that is going to allow you to siphon traffic from YouTube videos, or it's gonna accumulate these YouTube videos and make them into blog articles. It also comes with this done for you WordPress theme. As you can see, this theme looks really good, and if we go inside one of these articles, you'll see that the accumulated video, it's here. You can play it and watch it right here. This video has been accumulated from YouTube or Vimeo, and we have the content right here related to the video, and you can also edit the content and embed your own affiliate links. Another cool stuff is you can add your own advertisements, whether you are using Google AdSense or any other monetization company. You can add your ads, and you can also embed your video ads to these accumulated videos. So if you are interested in picking up Video Site Maker anytime during watching this review video, just click on the first link down below in the description if you are watching on YouTube. If you came from my email, you would already be on this page. Just scroll down. Once you are here, scroll down and click on one of these buttons. You'll be taken to the sales page where you can pick up your copy of Video Site Maker. You can do that once this goes live, which is on the 10th of July at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now you have to do that before the countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0, because once it does, all my bonuses will disappear and so will this page, and I don't want you to miss out my bonuses because they are exclusive to me and they are not going to be available through anybody else's link apart of mine. My first bonus is going to be a tutorial on how to set up your WordPress websites from scratch, or how to set up your WordPress website from scratch. I know that most of you guys watching this video right now are newbies and you have no clue about this techie stuff and WordPress and all this kind of complicated stuff. So I'm going to show you how to set up your WordPress website within 10 minutes. My second bonus is going to be the hack on the highest paying micro niches. Now, why do you want to target high paying micro niches? Let me just show you an example right here. Let's say you are driving traffic to this article right here, and you have an advertisement right here. This is a banner. Let's say it's a banner from Google AdSense. If you are targeting high paying micro niches, basically for each click you can get up to $25. Imagine guys, you get 1,000 clicks per month. That's $25,000 into your bank account. There are some keywords like let's say insurance, you get $15 per click. If you get an article on insurance and you start driving traffic, you have an advertisement right here about insurance. If people click here, for each click you're gonna get $15. So basically, if you have 1,000 clicks per month, only 1,000 clicks only, you're gonna get up to $15,000. This is just from one article. Imagine having like 20 or 30 articles about insurance inside your website. I'm pretty sure you're going to be able to make some significant amounts of money. Now let's talk about the third bonus, which is going to be a hack on the 5 best hidden traffic sources. I'm going to show you the 5 best hidden traffic sources to drive to your website and articles, because you already have the tools, you already have the done for you articles, or all you need is basically traffic. I'm going to show you the 5 best hidden traffic sources to drive to your articles. My fourth bonus is going to be the hack on the best monetization strategies to your video site maker. I'm going to show you the best monetization, how to monetize your website to make the most amount of money. Now let me just give you a glimpse right here. You can add advertisement right here. You can embed video ads to these videos, and you can add your own affiliate links, and we have other monetization strategies. So imagine combining all these monetization strategies together. Imagine the potential type of money you could make. My fifth bonus is going to be a hack on how to grow your email list fast. I'm going to show you on how to grow your email list using these articles. My sixth bonus is going to be access to all the vendors bonuses. These are the bonuses that the vendor gave to me to give to you. I don't know what these bonuses are, but what I do know is that most other affiliates are going to be offering these bonuses alone. I have gone above that and gave you access to all these extra bonuses delivered to you free of charge and instantly once you pick up Video Site Maker. Now let's jump to the sales page before we take a look into the plugin. The new WordPress plugin builds money-making video sites that gets you free traffic and makes sales in 60 seconds using existing videos, even if you have never built a site before. Here we have some bullet points, we have a timer, and we have some traffic proof and some payment proof. As you can see, he was able to make $9,790 on AdSense using this method. So he knows that it works, and I'm pretty sure that these video sites work. All you have to do is drive the right traffic and put the right offers and monetize your website correctly, and I'm pretty sure you can make money, and you'll have no problem doing that if you pick it up via my bonus page, because I'm giving you all the ammo, I'm showing you the traffic sources, and I'm giving you all the things that, or the loopholes that are missing inside of this plugin and theme to help you get the money. Now we have some bullet points, we have some information about the product and all that good stuff. We have some info about the creators, testimonials, and all this good stuff. You can check out the sales page on your own time. Let's jump right into the plugin. Now the first thing I want you to do once you pick up Video Site Maker is to go to the About section, and once you install it, you have to install it first. So go to let me just find, I don't know, where is it? Let me just click here. Yeah, you have to install it first. Then once you install it, it will look something like this. Once you install it, you go to the About section, and then you click on the training and tutorial videos. Just watch these videos to learn how to use all the tools inside the plugin. Now the first thing you need to do after you watch the videos is go to the channel watcher, which is going to be the first tool, and then you're going to click on create channel watcher. What this will do is that you will tell this plugin to go and siphon videos or to accumulate videos from a specific YouTube channel. So you're gonna customize your settings right here. You're gonna name the channel, you're gonna choose the type of campaign. So you have YouTube, Vimeo, and Dailymotion, and then you're gonna choose the channel ID, which is gonna be this one. After the channel / you're gonna copy the channel ID from the channel that you want to accumulate videos, and then you're gonna search channel by keyword. So it's gonna siphon or accumulate videos from that channel depending on these keywords that you're gonna choose right here. We have the event type. You can choose the event type, either the uploaded videos or the live videos, the upcoming videos, whichever you want. We have the save search, and we have the search by region. You can choose regions right here. You can choose video definition, you can choose video duration, video license. You can choose either Creative Commons or normal YouTube videos, and finally you can choose the category. Now once you do that, you're gonna click on save. Let me just go back right here, and as you can see, we have some channel watchers that he added before. So this plugin is gonna siphon these videos, and it's going to accumulate these videos and it's going to put them into posts. As you can see, we have a ton of posts right here from all these channels. Another cool thing you can do is video RSS. You can also siphon videos, so siphon direct videos. Basically, you choose the RSS name and then you choose the RSS URL. You're gonna copy this URL right here, and then you're gonna paste in where it says ID equal to. You're gonna paste in the ID of that channel, and then you're gonna choose a category of the posts. Once you do that, you're gonna click on Save RSS. You can go to your posts. Let me just open this up in a brand new page. And as you can see, we have all these posts right here. These are automatically generated via this plugin. Now let's jump to the next option, which is going to be the keyword replacer. I don't know what this does, but you can replace these keywords and assign the URL to a keyword. You can watch the tutorial videos to learn more about this tool. And we have the advertisement tool. It's really simple. You can create an advertisement video or an advertisement banner, as simple as that. Once you create an advertisement video, here you can choose the video IMA tag URL. So you can choose your video ad that you want to show inside your video sites. So basically, let's say I want to choose this one right here. The video is going to show up as an ad on this video. So whichever video you put in here, it's going to show up as an ad. You're going to choose the category, then you're going to choose the video that you want to put your ads on. So basically, you can choose this one, or you can click on check all, and your video ad is going to show up on all these articles. And then you're going to click on save once you are done. Same thing for the banner ads. You do the same thing. You're gonna fill out the information right here and choose whichever post you want your ad to appear. Then we have the player settings, where you can play around with the video settings that they are going to show inside your website. Let me just show you an example. This is the player this is the player inside Video Site Maker. You can play with its settings right here. You can choose auto play, you can choose responsive video, and all this good stuff. I'm not gonna overwhelm you right here. You have to check this out once you pick up your copy of Video Site Maker. And last but not least is gonna be the schedule social post. So you're gonna add your social media, and then you're gonna be able to schedule these posts and post them inside your social media. This is nothing big. You can do this on your own. This last feature, you can easily do it on your own. So this all I just showed you is gonna cost you $17, and it's a dime sale. It's gonna go up to $30. So for each and every sale, the price is gonna go up to $30. Even if you pick it up at $30, it's still a really good price, because it's gonna generate all this content. You're gonna get all these features shown right here. You can check them out on your own time. Then we have the first upsell, which is going to be the Video Site Maker Plus for $37. You get the Plus version that comes with 5 additional features. We have the playlist player, we have the mid-roll and post-roll advertisement. So you're going to be able to add more advertisements. We have the advertisement on video pause. So when someone pauses the video they are watching inside your post, you're going to be able to put an advertisement. We have the add logo, watermark, and brand in the player controls. So you can add your logo inside these videos. And then we have the 4 attractive video player skins. So you can change these skins for the video player, which is really, really cool. The upsell number 2 is going to be the Video Site Maker Pro for $47. The Pro version comes with unlimited sites license, and we have the commercial rights license. I don't know what these are. You can check them out right here to read more information inside the sales page. We have the upsell number 3. It's the done for you service. They will set up 20 websites for buyers. These are sites with complete content. You definitely don't need this upsell. The 4th upsell is going to be the video site maker reseller. For $197, you can resell video site maker as your own and bank 100% commission throughout the whole funnel. So what I recommend is to pick up the front end. Once you pick up the front end, you have access to all my bonuses. Let me show you how to claim these bonuses. So you're gonna go to your Warrior Plus dashboard, and then you're gonna hover over your username and click on purchase history. Then once you do that, you're gonna find your video site maker purchase right here. I'm just gonna choose one at random. So let's say this is the video site maker. You're gonna find access your purchase, and then you're gonna find access your affiliate bonuses, where you'll be able to access all my bonuses delivered to you free of charge and instantly. Now, like I said, you need the front end. The first upsell, you might want to consider it because it has more advertisements. You can add advertisements on video pause and post roll and mid roll. You can also change the logo, watermark, and video controls, and you can change the attractive video player skins. The second upsell, it's the pro version. You can create unlimited sites. So if you want to make a blogging as your full-time passive income machines, you can go for the second upsell for $47. It's a no-brainer for $47 because you can create unlimited sites. The third upsell, you don't need it. In the 4th upsell, you don't need it. So basically, pick up the front end, the first upsell, in the second upsell. This was my review of Video Site Maker. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comment section. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.